client asks you to make an ad today, would you know where to start? In this video, we're building a font ad from scratch, step by step. Let's start by setting up our composition. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1920, frame rate to 30 fps, and duration to 10 seconds. Now, set the background color to white. It's okay. Now grab the text tool and type Fanta. Select the text layer. Right-click, choose Pre-compose. And make sure to match the size to the layer's dimensions. Now head back into the main comp. And let's add the scissor tile effects so it repeats. Position it up top and set the left and right expansion to 1500. Duplicate the layer and place the copy at the bottom. Let's align them so the spacing between them is even. Head over to the project panel, duplicate the text comp, open it up. Now turn off the fill and add a stroke to it. Copy the effect from that layer and paste it onto this one. Just like before, duplicate the layer and align the spacing between evenly. Now add keyframes to the layers and animate them moving left and right like this. Create a null object and add all the layers to it. And now rotate it by -15 degrees. Bring in the orange image and center it on the screen. Add some scale and rotation to it. In the last frame, make the scale using really smooth. On the first frame, make the rotation using really smooth. At the 2 second, cut the layer. Add a scale and rotation to the drink layer. Add a bit of rotation here so the movement feels smoother. Now, let's bring the leaf image into the scene. Select the keyframes and smooth them out. To create the transition, grab the pen tool and draw a shape like this. Set the color to orange. Duplicate the layer and change its color to white. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.